You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, the name of these mountains, mountain ranges, originally in Europe, in France and Switzerland. Alps, English pronunciation if you want to say, and if you want to learn how it's said in French, in France and in Switzerland. Stay tuned, I've got another video for you. Alps, some may say Alps, but it's normally Alps, the Alps. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.